Children, today we are in this chapter number 5, heat. We have studied transfer of heat in solid and liquid. Solid, that is conduction, and liquid, that is convection. Convection. Now we are going to study the third method of heat transfer, that is radiation.
Radiation.
We are going to study the third method of heat transfer, that is radiation. So this is your third method, that is radiation, children. Okay. Now what do you remember this topic or not? That conduction is the method of heat transfer in solid, in which the particles transfer heat from one particle to the other through vibration. By vibrating at one point. एक जगह वाइब्रेट करके वो हीट ट्रांसफर करता है फ्रॉम वन मॉलिक्यूल टू दी अदर मॉलिक्यूल. But what about convection? In convection, children, what happens? The heat, as the liquids, the molecules are in random motion and there are sufficient space to move also. So that is why the heat transfer takes place through the method of traveling of the molecules. Means the molecules get transferred from one place to other and then the heat gets transferred. And we have seen that how the molecules transfer heat by this experiment what we have studied yesterday, that was of putting potassium permanganate in the liquid and liquid water or liquid, and you will see that when potassium permanganate slowly starts dissolving in water and getting heated at the bottom of the container, at the bottom of the round bottom flask, then slowly it will rise up. वो धीरे धीरे particles ऊपर जाएगा because lighter objects just travel and they become, after becoming heated, they become lighter. And they go up and the cooler particles from the upper surface, that will move to the bottom of the container. This we have studied yesterday. Today we are going to see that how this radiation method of heat transfer works. Every day we feel hot when we stand near the sun or near the fireplace. But why does we feel hot? Although we all know, yesterday you all were discussing that we are getting heat from the sun without any, but there is vacuum, and how is this transfer? So this heat method of heat transfer, which takes place in case of your sun rays and all, you can see that it is being radiated without having any medium. कोई एटमॉस्फेयर नहीं भी रहता है. एक लेयर के बाद आपके सरफेस में जो ब्लैंकेट ऑफ एयर है अर्थ के सरफेस पर, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट अर्थ सरफेस, तो एक सर्टेन लेयर्स के बाद, सर्टेन किलोमीटर्स के बाद वो लेयर ऑफ ब्लैंकेट ऑफ एयर इज नॉट देयर, इट बिकम्स वैक्यूम. वो वैक्यूम हो जाता. बट देन ऑल्सो हाउ इज दिस सन हीट रीचिंग टू द सरफेस ऑफ द, this sun heat is reaching to the surface of the earth by the method of radiation. Radiation method से sun का heat आपके surface तक
पहुंच रहा है और उसमें कोई भी मीडियम इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड। मीडियम इन द सेंस ना उसमें सॉलिड होगा, ना लिक्विड होगा, ना कोई गैसियस मीडियम होगा। इट विल ऑल बी वैक्यूम, कुछ भी नहीं होगा। और उसके उस सिचुएशन में अगर कोई मेथड है ट्रांसफर ऑफ हीट का, तो दैट इज योर रेडिएशन। क्लियर? दिस पॉइंट इज क्लियर टू यू ऑल?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
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 Of transfer of heat through without requiring any material medium, बिना कोई मटेरियल मीडियम के रिक्वायरमेंट के अगर हीट ट्रांसफर होता है तो इस तरह की एनर्जी को रेडिएंट एनर्जी, all this as radiant energy, इसको radiant energy because it is reaching through us through radiation। ये हमारे पास कैसे पहुंच रहा है? By the method
Excuse
of
me, ma'am.
radiation। Yes,
Ma'am, you are not audible because someone's mic is on and background sound is coming.
okay, because you are disturbed. If I will mute you all, then the interaction will not be there. Wait a minute, let me see whose mic is on. Abhigya, Aman Verma, Anshika, Anushka Vats, all of you please close. Ashish Singh, mute your mic and then sit in the class. Soumya, Shreya, Shaili Tiwari, Sashank, all of you, no, it's Sakshi, not Sashank. All of you please mute your mic. जिसका भी mic on है, mute कर लो because if I will mute, then the interaction will not be there. ठीक है? And first listen to me, then we will have a discussion among you all. It is that as the heat we are receiving from the sun through the method of radiation, and that is why it is known as radiant energy. Now those who are on the screen, please be attentive and don't divert your mind. Don't divert. थोड़ा attention में रहिए. ठीक है? Then here, this is a very we can do this experiment also. हम लोग एक experiment भी कर सकते हैं. कैसे कर सकते हैं? How is the heat energy reaching to us? इसके लिए इस एक्सपेरिमेंट के लिए क्या करना होगा? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू टेक 2 थर्मामीटर्स। थर्मामीटर डिजिटल थर्मामीटर मत लीजिए, आप लोग नॉर्मल थर्मामीटर जो होता है वो लीजिए। ठीक है? जो पहले क्लिनिकल थर्मामीटर, डॉक्टर्स थर्मामीटर। उसके बाद उसको एक थर्मामीटर को आप ब्लैक पेपर से या क्लोथ से रैप कर दीजिए, पुट इट एयर टाइट, उसको एकदम रैपिंग अच्छे से करो। और दूसरे को white cloth या white paper, or you can just put it white paper or white cloth. What will happen? Then you at equal distance, यहाँ पर आपका कैंडल है या कोई बर्नर है, and at equal distance you will put this thermometer. ये थर्मोमीटर आपका है जो कि रैप है, ब्लैक क्लॉथ और ब्लैक पेपर, कुछ भी। एंड एट अगेन एट इक्वल डिस्टेंस यहाँ व्हाइट क्लॉथ और व्हाइट पेपर से इसको रैप कर दी। Now what will happen? This candle will radiate heat, अपना हीट को फैलाएगा, छोड़ेगा। आप कभी कैंडल या बर्नर या गैस स्टोव के पास अपना हाथ ले गए हो? ले जाकर देखे हो? हीटर के पास ले गए हो? हीटर घर में रहता है, क्या होता है विंटर सीजन में हम लोग हीटर चलाते हैं, वहां पर हम लोग को वार्मथ फील होता है। क्यों फील होता है? उससे कोई आप फायर निकलते हुए तो नहीं देखते हो। कैन यू सी दैट फायर इज कमिंग आउट फ्रॉम इट? ओनली वो क्या होता है, रेड हॉट हो जाता है, उसका जो कॉइल होता है दैट बिकम्स रेड हॉट। And what is it doing? It is emitting heat. वो radiate कर रहा है heat वहां से, और उसके कारण आपको warmth feel हो रहा है. Okay? So here the same thing is happening. These are at equal distance, one with black and other with white paper or white cloth. Then when the candle will start burning, after some time you will feel that, or you will see that this black paper, the thermometer covered with black paper is emitting heat and the temperature is rising. Temperature उसमें बहुत तेजी फास्ट से ऊपर आ रहा है, लेकिन इसमें क्या आता है, but it is very slow, and this difference you can see after 5 to 10 minutes. 5 या 10 मिनट के बाद आप देखोगे कि टेम्परेचर डिफरेंस बहुत ज्यादा है. Now tell me why. ये ऐसा क्यों होता है? Why it will happen? Tell me why it happened.
Ma'am, because black paper or cloth absorb more heat.
Yes, black paper or black cloth are good absorbent of heat. वो बहुत अच्छे से heat को absorb कर सकते. That is why it is said in summer season we should not wear black cloth. या हम लोग अपने घरों में कभी black color का paint या coating नहीं लगाते. लगाते हैं क्या?
No,
नहीं
ma'am.
लगाते हैं. Why? Because this black color absorbs the environmental heat more as compared to the other colors. That is why we can see that this black color is a good absorbent, and we cannot just have this black colored clothes also in summer season. We avoid wearing black colored clothes, or we just do not put black color coating or paint on our houses. This is the reason. Then, here, as the emission and absorption is much better in black color, so where it is utilized, इसको कहाँ utilize किया जाता है? इसको हम अपने उस वर्क में utilize करेंगे जहां पर हमको हीट की ज्यादा जरूरत है, जहां हमको हीट एब्जॉर्ब करना है और उससे हम कोई यूजफुल काम कर सकते हैं. तो let us see the examples. First is the bottom of cooking utensils are made black so that it can absorb the flame better. Second is we prefer white colored or light colored cloth in summer season because it absorbs less heat. Then tea or coffee pots are often made up of shining bright. Now, why is this tea and coffee pots are made up of shining bright color? ये क्यों ऐसा होता है? क्यों बनाया जाता है? Because we want that the tea and coffee should retain their temperature for a longer period of time. ज्यादा देर तक उसको गर्म या ठंडा जो भी हम पी रहे हैं उसको रखना है, इसलिए उसका टेम्परेचर उसी स्थिति में रहे as it was. So just this bright colored surface will reflect the environmental and it will protect your those substances from the radiation of heat or minimize the temperature of that. Clear? Then you will see this example in case of house building also. हम लोग अपने विंडो पेन्स को ग्लास रिफ्लेक्टर्स जो लगा रहे हैं आजकल वो शाइनिंग रहता है. Why? Because we avoid the environment, just to avoid the environmental temperature to be absorbed by the walls or by the windows. Clear? And make our houses heated. So these window panes also help us. Then fire brigade men, they use caps. They are that is brass cap. Brass is also a reflector. वो reflect करता है. Fire brigade men को कहाँ work करना रहता है? In case of emergency situation in where the fire is uncontrolled. जहां पर फायर अनकंट्रोल्ड है वहां पर उनको जाकर वर्क करना होता है, तो दे आर फर्स्ट दे विल प्रोटेक्ट देयर सेल्फ, अपने आप को प्रोटेक्ट करेंगे तभी ना दूसरे को बचाएंगे। तो जस्ट टू प्रोटेक्ट देयर सेल्फ दे आर जस्ट कवरिंग देयर head with brass strap so that the heat is reflected back.
Then how Siddhant I have told you that light colors on the walls we put so that the heat is not absorbed. Then many buildings and cities have coated shining glass at their outer
walls. This also I have discussed you कि outer walls पर coating रहता है shining surfaces का, जो कि हम लोग window panes में भी आजकल normally use किया जाता है
or walls film. Then the thermos flask is used to carry hot or cold drink, and it makes use of the property of shining or polishing.
That also we have discussed कि shining surface में हम लोग thermos flask बनाते हैं जिसमें glass का coating रहता है with shining surface, or that will not allow the heat to emit or absorb from the outside. Whatever temperature you will pour in that thermos flask, that will retain that temperature for a certain period. Is it clear? All the points are clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then let us first mark the hard word. इसका hard word पूरा कर लेते हैं क्योंकि थोड़ा classes में छूट गया था. Take a pencil in your hand and then we will have the reading of the lesson. कहाँ पर हम लोग कोई point अगर छूट रहा होगा तो उसको discuss कर लेंगे. Okay. So let us first mark the hard words. Till which page we have done? कौन से पेज तक हो चुका है hard word?
Ma'am,
Then बोलो.
ma'am, page number. Ma'am, page number 63.
63 till 63 we have done.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So let us come to page number 64.
64 पर आ जाइए.
First word is laboratory. Then least count, calibration, instrument, design, constriction, conveniently, conventional, it is in do you know, conventional, antiseptic, convex meniscus. Next page 66. Lukewarm, conduction, convection and radiation, significant, transferred, subsequent, insulators, then ebonite, thermocol, Come to page number 68. 68. Transferred, shield, blankets, trapping, conductivity, quilts, molecules. Next page 69. Potassium permanganate, cyclic movements, convection currents, ventilators, chimneys, next page, page number 70. Latitudes, sea breeze, land breeze, equatable climate, thunderstorm, cyclones, anti-clockwise, come to page number 72. Radiant energy, received, reflected, and thermometers, identical, emission, absorption, fire brigade, 73 page number, efficiency, thermos flask, conductivity, vacuum. So,
All of you have marked these words?
Yes, ma'am.
okay. Then yesterday we missed, we were on page number 70 for reading. एक बार कोई भी बच्चा read कर लो.
Ma'am, from land and sea breeze.
Yes, you can read from there.
Land and sea breeze.
Okay,
Start
ma'am.
करिए.
Water gets heated up slowly than land during daytime. Hence, the air above the land gets heated up more quickly and rises up. Cooler air from above the sea then rushes in to take its place. We call this movement of air as a sea breeze. During night, water cools more slowly than land. The air above the water therefore becomes warmer and rises up. Its place in taken up by the cooler air above the land. This movement of air is called as land bridge. These land and sea breeze help in maintaining the temperature of air at a more or less uniform value through the day and the night. We therefore have an equitable climate on places near the sea. Do you know? The wind speed, wind direction, temperature, and humidity of a place all contribute to the development of the atmospheric convection currents into storms and cyclones. The strong wind sometimes forms a cloud and grows into a thunderstorms having speed of 80 to 150 kilometer hours. Cyclone is a huge storm having strong spiraling winds going inwards and upwards at a speed of around 150 km hour over warm ocean regions. Cyclones rotate in anti-clockwise, clockwise, northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere direction around the center of the storm eye, which is the calmest and low pressure region. The difference in the pressure determines the intensity of the cyclone and the strength of the winds. Once a mature cyclones form, it can last up to a week, depending upon the atmospheric and oceanic condition. When cyclones come onto the land, the accompanying heavy rains, strong with and large wave, can damage buildings, trees, and cars. Do you know?
Wait
In
a minute.
summer,
Wait a minute. Just wait. Here, children, when the cyclone is there, it is not the wind direction only. It will depend upon all the factors like temperature, humidity of that place, then pressure, atmospheric pressure. These all contribute to the development of that cyclone at that place. And it can prolong for 1 week also. It can have for one or 2 days also. And it depends upon all the factors how they are working at that particular time at that place. अभी आप देख रहे हो कि एक साइड में इंडिया में cyclones या storms are coming, and the other side it is cool and calm. But you will see that there is humidity, temperature is very high, pressure has fallen down. These all experience we are doing in the all parts of the country in at equal time. Unequal time, not at the same time. अलग अलग दिन में अलग अलग वेरिएशन होता है weather ka according to these factors which are working along with the direction of it. Is it clear?
okay. Yes, ma'am.
चलो अब आगे पढ़ो. Do you
Do you know? In summer, at places near the equator, the land warms up faster. Hence, most of the time, the land temperature is higher than that of water in the oceans. The air over the land gets heated up and rises. This causes the wind to flow from the ocean towards the land. These winds carry water and bring rain. We call these winds as monsoon winds. Radiation. We feel hot when we stand out in the sun or when we are near a fireplace. How does the heat of the sun or the fireplace reach us? The heat of the sun does not reach us either by conduction or by convection. This is because there is mostly empty space, vacuum, between the sun and the earth. Conduction and convection both require a material medium for the transfer of heat. It follows then that there must be a third method of heat transfer. We call this method of heat transfer as radiation. It may be defined as a method of heat transfer in which no material medium is required. The heat energy received by an object through radiation is called radiant energy. We say that all hot objects give out or radiate heat energy. When radiant energy falls on any matter, a part of it is reflected black and a part of it is absorbed by the matter. It is the absorbed part of radiant energy that heats up the object. We find through partial experience that black objects are very good
it
absorbers.
is practical experiment, practical experience, not partial. It is practical experience, means our day-to-day experience.
Yes, no. We find through practical experience that black objects are very good absorbers of radiant energy. Highly polished or white object, on the other hand, absorb very little amount of radiant energy falling on them. The following activity will help us to verify this fact. Activity. Take two identical thermometers and keep them side by side. Wrap a piece of black paper on the bulb of one of the thermometer and a piece of white paper on the bulb of other thermometer. Now keep both of them at equal distance from a fireplace or a lighted up candle. We observe that the temperature of the thermometer having black paper on its bulb rises a little faster than that of other thermometer. This shows that black objects absorb heat better than white object. The difference between the absorption and emission properties of black and polished surface has many practical uses. We list below some of these. First, the bottom of cooking utensils is often kept black. This enables the utensils to better absorb the heat of the flame. Second, we prefer white or light colored cloth in summer. They absorb less heat from the surroundings. Third, tea or coffee pots are often made shining bright. They therefore radiate out less heat. The tea or coffee kept in them therefore stays hot for a longer time. Fourth, fire brigade men often use shining brass caps. These caps absorb very little heat and therefore help the firemen while they are putting off the fire. Fifth, houses generally have light colors on the outer walls. These absorbs and radiate less heat. This helps to keep the houses cool in summers and warm in winter. Sixth, many buildings in the cities have coated shining glass at the outer walls. These absorbs and radiate very little heat. This helps to improve the efficiency of the air condition. Ma'am, ये क्या है?
Conditioning system.
Conditioning
Air
systems in the
conditioning system.
air conditioning systems in the building. Seventh, the thermostat is used to carry in it hot or cold drinks. It makes use of the property of shining or polished surface of absorbing as well as radiating very little heat. It also makes use of the bad conductivity of air vacuum through its double-walled structure. Ma'am, keyword.
Now children, here air conditioning means if there will be hot air accumulated in your houses, rooms, तो आपको गर्मी ज्यादा लगेगी ना, और ventilators या windows, they release the hot air and allow the cool air from outside to come inside. और ऐसा भी होता है कभी कभी हॉट एयर भी एटमॉस्फेयर में रहता है, तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं, अपना विंडोज ये सब बंद करते हैं, डोर्स हम लोग बंद करते हैं. डोर्स और विंडोज किस लिए दिया जाता है? विंडोज स्पेशली to have a circulation of air in your rooms and in your houses. That is why these doors and windows are. Clear?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
till here, any problem? अभी तक जो पढ़ाए गीत में, उसमें कोई भी ऐसा टॉपिक है जो आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है? Have you gone through the chapter? Chapters पढ़े हो एक बार, अपने से रीड किए हो सब लोग? रीडिंग क्लास में जो हो रहा है उसके अलावा